Hi guys, welcome to Java Insights. In this video, I will show you how to set up Kafka. To set up the latest Kafka, we need Java 17. Just make sure you have installed Java 17. To check Java 17 in your system, just open a command window and check it. Open a command window and type Java hyphen version. So here you can see I have installed Java 17. If you have not installed, install Java 17 or Java 21, the LTS version. So after that, just let's download the Kafka. Just type download Kafka. Open browser and type download Kafka. Just visit the first link. Here you can see. Here we'll download the binary version. Just click on it here. This one, the latest version, that is 4.1.1. Once downloaded, go to that download folder, extract the folder here, just rename it, or you can keep it like that also. I'm renaming it to Kafka underscore 4.1.1. Just put the folder here. I'm just creating one folder in C drive, Kafka, and then inside just paste it. And if we'll go inside here, you can see new folder, and then if we'll go inside, we have Windows. If we'll go inside, and these are the files, batch file we have for the Kafka setup in Windows environment. So just go back here, just copy this. We'll set the Kafka home in our environment variable. So just right click on this PC properties, then just click on advanced system setting, and then system variable section, just click on new, and then just paste the value whatever we copied, and then provide a variable name Kafka underscore home, and copy this name. Just click on OK. Just scroll down, we have the path. Just click on edit, just edit here percentile Kafka home percentile slash bin slash Windows. Just click on OK, OK, and OK. Now here you can see we have the Java installed, and we have downloaded the latest Kafka version. And next, let's create one folder already we have created. Inside that Kafka folder, we have pasted our Kafka. Then we just need to create this combined directory. This directory is needed, which will store the metadata and the logs. So let's create this directory here. Go back and then just create this folder here. That's it. Then next, we need to set this controller here, and we need to update the Kafka log directory. So just let's open it. Config server.properties. So here you can see the server basics. We just need to add that line. Then scroll down here a little. The log directory, we just need to add that c:/Kafka. Yeah, just save it and then close it. Then next is we just need to create one cluster ID here. This is the command we have in the bin/windows directory. We just need to use this command to generate a cluster Kafka cluster ID. Open a command window from this location. Just type cmd, press enter, and you can see command window. Just let's create one cluster ID, Kafka cluster ID. Just paste it. So here you can see one Kafka cluster ID generated. Just copy this and just paste it here, the new Kafka cluster ID. So we need to format the log directory. Just copy that command and run it again. So the log directory, it's formatted now. Let's start the Kafka server. So here you can see the Kafka server started here. Let's open one more window where we'll create one topic and we'll start the producer, and one more window will open for the consumer to start it. So let's open one more window. Just use this to create a topic. Here the topic name we are providing message exchange topic. So just press enter. Is topic created. With the describe command you can check whether the topic created or not. So just change it to describe and run it. So here you can see our topic name is message hyphen exchange hyphen topic. It's created. So let's start the producer. Press enter. Yes, producer started. Press enter, and here you can see the consumer also started. So let's start sending few messages here in the producer. Let's say hi. Consumer window you can see the message hi. So here let's say welcome to Kafka. Just press enter. Here you can see the message. So our Kafka setup is working fine. That's it in this video. Thank you.